Hello everybody, I'm Walt Now. That is, hello everybody, I'm Walt Now. Inviting you to our YouTube channel, Sounds of Missouri, at soundsofmissouri.com. We'll have videos like this, without me in them, of just natural sounds of Missouri. Let's take a listen. How about that? Of course, it being evening in St. Louis County, we have trains, planes, and automobiles. Most of these videos won't have them. So subscribe, like, share, if you will. Join us on these adventures. This is Sounds of Missouri. Welcome. I leave you with the Merrimack River and a wish for peace.